Dear friends, this is our regulator. You can see this one is very pretty brand nickel colors. Its material is iron, and this one is moving. If you want to buy this high quality regulator, you can tell us its length and the width and the weight. Then we can call you the best price. Like this one, its length is about, the internal diameter is about 4 cm, and the width is about 1.6 cm, and its weight is 7.3 grams per pieces. This one is very pretty brand nickel colors. If you want to make other colors, we have many colors for your choosing. If you want to buy it, welcome to contact us. Thank you.